next episode of your cogs. Mugen, how to make Mugen characters. You know, we're in the polishing stage. And now we've gotten, oh yeah, first we gotta do this. After we've gotten those two, new phrase animation, for Ace Link, KI Ace Link, all done. Now we gotta put them in. Oh, shoot. Crap. Okay, I gotta go find them. I'll be right back. Hold on. Okay, so we're back. I'll show you here. I finished doing making the animations, animation frames. So now I'm taking them from documents and putting them into Mugen characters. My character KI Ace Link. So put them in there. They go over there. Now I get X out of these. Okay. I go over to palette. I add the palette. I gotta go find them. Library. Documents. Mugen. Mugen. Characters. KIA Sling. KIA Sling. That's A Sling. Combo Break 2. Part 2 2. Click. Right. Open. And KIA Sling. A Sling. Recharge. Recharge 2. Yeah, it's really big, but that's where it goes right now. We're still learning about GIMP. It's an annoying thing, but that's how it goes. Open. Now we use the name as images, and we add one development images. You say a sling, name it whatever you want to name it. Pal. PCX and save. That's all good. Thank you. Now we should go to our sprites and to go through and find where we need to put them. Okay, that's a win. Punch, punch, strike there, punch, punch. Oh yeah, there it is. There's the recharge there. Group 1000 image 0. Click on this. Go to Aceling recharge. Recharge 2. Open. Looks good. Open. I put it like there. Recharge 2, open. Sometimes it'll go to the right place, sometimes it won't. If it doesn't, you fix it. Image 2, or 3 actually, open. Crap. Oh well. Change. Open. Both over the cleanup stage. We can continue to clean him up. Good. 4 or 5. You never so listen. You got to. I am getting into some confidence, man. It's wonderful. Open. It goes well with the Suicide Squad stuff. It just does. Okay, that is clip. Yeah, group 1000 image 5. Save it. Now we go into the next one. Punch. Mace. Okay, so there. This is a different one. We don't want to adjust too many of them. We want to adjust these though. The flip kick looks like he's been hit really hard and is flying backward. We want to change that to an actual flip kick. So combo break 2-2. Open. Right here, I think. We'll adjust it if necessary. Edit. Open. Put it right here. And go. And here. And go. Yeah, I gotta actually go check on that. Okay, wait. Okay, save it. Alright, now let's check it out. Yes, I do. Alright, let's go. Yeah, there's all kinds of stuff over there. Right, my stuff together to do things. My drawing tablet, my PC clean. Check out all the different video editors and whatnot. So now let's see, we're good. See how he looks when he does that. Yeah, looks better. Look at it. There you go. Yeah, that's better. That's working. That works just fine for me. Yeah, I think I will clean them up some more because I really want to get that last little bit of stuff out of there. So I'll check that out. So I'll see you guys next time. Check me out on YouTube.